Just a quick video to show you what you can do with a whole bunch of cranes. This is my entryway from floor to ceiling, ceiling to floor. And I think there's over 260 cranes. This view from here. And then I made little paper stars as well, and I put a little bead at the bottom of each one as an anchor, sort of. So I'll try to do a view from coming up the stairs. Let's see. But the lighting is not with us, but you kind of get the idea. Go up the stairs and all you see are the cranes. It's very, very magical. So there you go, winter project. You just tie them. I used invisible string. It's like a jewelry making string. And then I tied them at the top to a dowel. And yeah. There you go.